Hi guys, I just wanted to show you some of the magazines that I got most recently, and the first one up is Instyle, and this is for 2019. Then the next one up that I got is Vogue, and this is for June 2019. There's Zendaya on there. Then I got Wired, and this says for June 2019. Then the other one that I received is Real Simple, and this is for June 2019. And these are all the magazines that I received. Now I got some from Pinchme and some are from some other places that I get free magazines also. And now I wanted to show you what I got in the mail. And this is it. This is the envelope that it came in. And I took the items that I received out of there. So, yeah. The first one that I received is from it's Clorox Ultra Clean, and it says disinfected wipe. It says kills 99.9% of virus and bacteria, and it's in lemon twist, and this is from Pinchme for free. So yeah, this is what I received. And then the next one that I got is Ester-C. It says clinically studied 24 hours immune support. And it says that the better vitamin C, 1,000 milligrams, plus electrolytes. And yeah, it says patented immune health formula, B vitamins to support energy. Take one a day. So yeah, this is what I got. Also from Pinchme. And now I received this. I don't know if I showed this before, but Garnier, and this is Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask, coconut extract. So this is another thing there. And then they just had like little cards in here, like Pinchme, your exclusive product trial starts now. And then the other one here that I got, and it says congratulations, a winning a Pinchme box. And it has down here Pinchme, and then it has over here so yeah, these are all the items that I received free, and some are from Pinchme. So I just wanted to show you, and I should be getting some more items. And you could just go over, it tells you where to go to pinchme.com. And yeah, you could get your free samples each month. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I also just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.